Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. We'll start with mapping out the current range. And of course, the highs have been broken of the previous range highs. Started making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Started consolidating for a while and then broke out this week. Now starting to retrace because the dollar index started to rebound off of breaking to new structurally lows based off the CPI and PPI data, but only looking here for any type of buying opportunity when there is a retracement. Doesn't necessarily have to go back down to the discount of this overall range. Could go back down to an area of demand and then reverse from there, looking for any type of bullish momentum shift when that does happen. GBP USD, as I mapped out yesterday, it's in an ascending channel. Let's go ahead and map out the current range, this being the higher low due to the highs being broken, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. No real strong close above these highs, but still in an ascending channel. Looking for any type of retracement. Doesn't necessarily have to react to the area of the discount of this overall range. Starting to break down, fractally starting to break down internally. Swing structure still bullish, but starting to break down bearish. So looking to see if there's a decision going to be made, because there is liquidity sitting under these lows of this ascending channel. Of course, it could always sweep these lows and then continue targeting the highs of the overall range. Only looking for any type of buying opportunity right now until these lows get taken out. So not looking for, but if that does happen, then looking for any type of retracement and then any type of selling opportunity. But for now, still bullish, swing structure bullish, starting to break down bearish internally. Once it starts to break down past these lows, then the supply will be in control, and I just look for any type of selling opportunity once the lows get taken out. Once again, AUD USD, let's go ahead and map out the current range as prices continue to, well, after this high was made, price started to consolidate. Of course, higher highs, higher lows. Price started to consolidate and made this high. No real close. It wicked and rejected those higher prices, but that is the high of this overall range. And then liquidities, they took out that liquidity, and now starting to break down under this overall bullish structure. This support was being formed. Prices have closed under, taking out the liquidity sitting under the support, and buyers reacted from this area of demand, but weren't able to push past and go back into the range, into this consolidated range fully, which I got in the lows. So looking for any type of, obviously, swing structure still bullish. We'll be looking for any type of buying opportunity right now. These sellers step back in impulsively, take out all of the support. Looking for any type of area of demand. If it does retrace back down and there's any type of reaction in discount of this overall range from any type of area of demand, we're looking to take any type of buying opportunity, target the highs of the overall range. But for now, supply is in control. Looking for any further downside on AUD USD, but it doesn't have to retrace all the way back. Could react from any type of news and type of fundamental news on the dollar index. But there's support here in the demand area, in which price could react from. Looking for a type of bullish momentum shift when that does happen. But for now, swing structure still bullish, but now internally starting to break down, just like with the other US dollar pairs. NZD USD, go map out the current range. And of course, a similar chart, but this made its high a while back, and then it consolidated. So higher high, higher low, higher high. This is the high of the range. Higher low. These buyers weren't able to take out the high. Just started to consolidate, and the longer it stays in consolidation, the more likely it is to reverse. So once these buyers reacted from this area, so at the lows, once the buyers reacted from this area, they weren't able to take out the highs, and then sellers step back in with an impulsive movement to the downside, have taken out the low that swept these lows, but you can anticipate that to continue happening. That means supply is in control. If there's a strong close under these lows, swing structure bullish, terminal structure possibly breaking down, and fractal structure, if it does start to like close back under these lows, you can wait to see if it does trace back down to discount, any type of area of demand, any type of looking for any type of buying opportunity if bullish momentum shifts to target the highs of the overall range. But for now, there hasn't been a close under these lows. This is support area. If it does, then expect more further downside, but then I'm only looking for any type of buying opportunity, as swing structure is still bullish. GBP AUD. Oh, let's go and map out the current range. 4-hour chart. As prices continue, swing structure is bearish. It's bearish. Prices came back up to this lower high, so it started to step back in again, started to break down. Structure to the downside, internal structure was bearish. Said previously this was the area because it broke down past this support area. Good area to sell. Waiting to see if it continued to break down for lows, but prices started to react from this area of support. Buyers stepped back in. Said it was probably targeting the highs of this overall range, which means the swing structure is still bearish, but the internal structure is starting to be bullish. So making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Essentially looking to see if it will take out the highs and then continue in a bullish direction. Not looking for any type of opportunity, buying opportunity or selling opportunity, because it conflicts. Looking to see these lows being taken out. If it does start to take out all these lows, and I'll be looking for any type of selling opportunity, take out the lows of the overall range. But right now, the internal structure conflicting with the overall swing structure. GBP NZD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range as we do swing structure. So of course, prices pull back down up into premium. Bear swing structure started to form lower lows, lower highs. Started to consolidate. Structure broke to the downside, but the support area held up, and buyers started to step back in, start taking out the highs, taking out the liquidity over these highs. Swing structure bearish. Internal structure started to be bullish. Fractal structure bullish. So we have to see if these highs of this pullback will be taken out. If it does, looking for any type of opportunity to go ahead and target the highs of this overall range. Was looking just like with GBP AUD for these lows to be taken out, but if it does start to break down, these lows start to be taken out. Looking for any type of opportunity to in this bearish momentum shift, look for opportunity to sell to target the lows of the overall range. But right now, swing structure bearish, internal structure starting to be bullish, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and fractal structure is bullish. So not looking for the opportunity right now until these lows get taken out, but if it does not happen, then it will continue to target the highs and head back into premium. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.